Welcome, tech enthusiasts! In today's video, we are going to provide the details of the Tecno Spark 20 smartphone. The Tecno Spark 20 is a budget-friendly smartphone that will be on sale from 2nd February 2024 on Amazon India. Here are its key specifications. Display. It features a 6.56-inch HD+ in-display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, offering a resolution of 720 x 1612 pixels. Processor. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, built on a 12nm process, it offers an octa-core CPU, 2x2.0 GHz Cortex-A75 and 6.1.8 GHz Cortex-A55, and a Mali-G52 MP2 GPU. Memory. The device comes with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB via microSDXC. Camera. The main rear camera boasts a 50MP sensor with an f1.6 aperture, wide, and an auxiliary 0.08MP lens. For selfies, there's a 32MP front camera, wide. Battery. It houses a 5000 mAh non-removable battery with 18W fast charging support. Operating system, the Tecno Spark. 20 runs on Android 13 with the company's own layer of HiOS 13. Design. The phone has a glass front and a plastic back and frame. It is also IP53 rated for dust and splash resistance. Colors. Available in Gravity Black, Cyber White, Neon Gold, and Magic Skin 2.0 Blue.